So my most memorable moment was reaching summit because it was my first ever time actually climbing the full mountain, and it's a memory I will never forget.
For me, it was seeing Aadyant running down the mountain when we were coming down. I could have never thought he would be that fearless and just without fear and any care in the world running down the mountain.
So I learned how to sleep. Like, this is my first time camping, so I learned how to do many things like sleep in the sleeping bag, how to light up your tent, like you can put lights. Also, how to use a portable toilet.
For me, the biggest learning was do it at your own pace. There were times that I was ahead of some people, there were times I was behind some people, but it was just the fact that sometimes I was alone, and but I think just the fact that I was at my own pace and made me feel very comfortable throughout the whole climb, up and down.
So I'm looking forward to meeting all these people again. Hopefully they come. And also, I really want to climb another mountain because I found it a really nice experience.
I'm also just looking forward to another mountain, the same set of people, different set of people, just the whole experience once again.
So I would like to say thank you to everyone, like Saahil who organized this entire trip, the guides and everyone who helped us navigate through the mountain, also the photographers who were with us the entire time and taking lots of photos.
Yeah, I think it was fantastically organized. We felt safe, we felt comfortable, we enjoyed ourselves. There was never a time when we felt that we were tense. So it just, the food was fantastic. It was just overall a great experience.
So I think my sister and my mom will really like this because it's just very silent, and my mom and sister both wrote like very loud noises. So I wish they can come next time.
Same here. I think.
And also my cousins. I'm hoping they can also come.
I think Jaitika and Sharanya would have maybe not enjoyed the physical part of it so much, but enjoyed the silence and the nature. So I hope that they're here with us next time.